Hi guys, hello. Today I'm going to be busy making a few products. This is another recipe that I'm trying for a shampoo bar, but I also wanted to use it as a beauty bar for the skin. So I'm trying this out again. This recipe is very expensive to make, let me tell you. You could be testing and formulating and you could end up spending thousands of dollars. So I hope when people get a free recipe, the nice thing to do is to, if you use it and you were successful, just show it on my my page, my Bad Bomb World School page group. I'm not going to be giving recipe for the shampoo bar, but I can answer some questions. I have way more to learn about this product, and I'm going to heat this up. So I love shea butter in my shampoo bars. I love shea butter. I love coconut oil, and olive oil is in this one. And I have my essential oils. Yeah, this is good for the hair, the tea tree oil, orange oil, lime oil. So I'll be right back, guys. Let me just go put on my gloves and get the stuff warm up. Okay, I finished warming up my ingredients here. This is my surfactants in here and some skin loving emollients in here, hermactins, something like that. I'm way off in time. Way off. Ooh, the smell of the fragrance is so nice. So guys, I'm thinking about doing a Patreon for recipes. So whatever recipes I have up, you better get them now before I start my Patreon for using for you to get recipes. And I'm going to be busy formulating, so it's a lot. And when I'm finished getting this formula where I want it to be, I'll have on my Patreon for you to get a basic understanding how to bring your ingredients together. But that's gonna be way months and months. Oh, okay. There's my essential oils in here. Okay. So I'm gonna heat this up to add my fragrance in there. Oh, this fragrance is so amazingly, I mean, oh my goodness, it's incredible. It smells so good. Sorry guys if I had this camera out of focus. So let's do the fragrance. Put it in there. This is just a small batch because I am not interested in making a large batch to be wasted. I did that the last time and I'm gonna put that up. I'm gonna make the video, edit the videos and put that up because it was so sad. Sadder, sad-ish. Just sad. I have my tea tree oil in here, and no. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna let this cool down so I can put in the Dermal Plus. Yeah, let this cool down. Put in the Dermal Plus in there. Okay guys, Be right back. Okay guys, I'm ready to unmold my shampoo bars. It's really hard. Come on. Ooh, I left the swirl. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Okay guys, this is the last one. Ugh. Okay. Look at that beautiful swirl. That is a nice swirl. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll be working on formulating recipes, and I will see ya in the next video. Might be some soap making. Bye for now guys. Bye for now.